Hello there. Let me ask you a question. Which skill is the most crucial in product design and manufacturing domain? If your guess is CAD, CAM, etc., well, let me tell you an interesting story. Just a few years ago, a big automobile company had to recall thousands of cars because of a small GD&T error in their engine components, which cost them crores of rupees and damaged their reputation. Do you see how big a role GD&T plays in product design? And how a single mistake in GD&T can lead to catastrophic product failures? And that's why GD&T, which stands for Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing, is more than just a set of symbols and rules. It's a universal language that ensures every part fits perfectly and functions as intended. Whether it's a car engine, an aircraft wing, or a simple bracket, GD&T guarantees precision and reliability. So understanding GD&T is crucial for anyone involved in design, manufacturing and quality control. And companies are constantly looking for people with good GD&T skills, because GD&T helps them to ensure consistent quality, reduce waste and rework, improve communication across teams, streamline production processes and much more. Everyone, if you have decided to go into design or manufacturing industry, you must have a good hold on GD&T. And to help you achieve your goals, we have designed a 3-hour-long workshop to take you from absolute zero to GD&T professional. A professional who can understand and use GD&T concepts in his or her day-to-day work. You may be an engineer or a designer who wants to enhance your skills, or you may be a manufacturing professional looking to ensure quality and efficiency in your work, or a quality control specialist aiming to minimize defects. In fact, you may be an engineering student or recent graduate preparing for a career in engineering. This workshop is for you. I repeat, you need to learn GD&T. So join this 3-hour-long workshop and master this timeless skill from a real industry expert. And the best part is, you will have to pay only 29 rupees. Yes, only 29. In which you will get an interactive live session, a practical case study worth rupees 150, a comprehensive GD&T ebook worth 300 rupees, a free engineering drawing course worth 1500, 50 commonly asked interview questions on GD&T, a certificate of completion and much more. So, click on the link below and reserve your spot right now. For any questions, you may contact us through this email. I hope to see you in the workshop.